Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my class. Today, according to my fixing chapters, today chapter number 15, articles. Even small children to bigger ones might be very acquainted with articles, but I am going to go very detailedly where these articles are used. Let us start. The articles are a and they. A and they, these are the articles. Now they are really adjectives and usually called articles. A and an, they are called indefinite articles. There is definite article. And these articles, they function like adjectives. Articles a and an can be considered to be abbreviation of demonstrative adjectives. I have already taught you demonstrative adjectives, that is this, that, these, those. So these two, a and an, can be considered as the abbreviative form. Abbreviative form is the short form. Abbreviative form of demonstrative adjectives. And then in that note, I have one book and one pen. We don't say one book and one pen. Instead of that, I have a book and a pen. Next example I have given, keep these books on the table. That is correct. At the same time, keep the books on the table. That also is correct. We use it. Bring these files here. At the same time, we can say bring the files here. So both are correct. Next is part 2, uses of indefinite article. A. Indefinite article A, where all it is used, I have given. With singular common nouns beginning with consonants. Example, a pen, a cow, a boy, etc. Next, with vowel letters having consonantial value. Say for example, a university, a unit, a 1 rupee note, etc. Then part 3 is uses of indefinite articles an, where we can use an, with words beginning with silent H. Example, an hour, an hotel, an honest man, etc. Secondly, with words beginning with vowel sounds. Example, an action, an umbrella, an egg, etc. Then part 4, uses of definite article, that is the. Some may pronounce the, but the, whatsoever. The uses of definite article is the. To denote a particular person or thing or one already mentioned. If we have spoken about something and when we repeat, we use the word again the. Example, I like the girl. Talking about the particular girl. That is why the girl. The watch you gave me is misplaced somewhere. What happened? I am talking about the same watch you gave me. So it is mentioned, already mentioned, the same, we are mentioning about the same. Next is when a singular noun represents a whole class. Example, the cow is a very useful animal. The cow family, cow class, the whole class. The king cobra is extremely poisonous. Extremely poisonous. So these are the examples. The next is with superlatives. Degrees of comparison I have already taught. With superlative degree, the is used. We have already come across. Now, in articles where we use the, it is given. He is the best student in our class. The best. This is the smallest room among all. Smallest room among all. Next is with names of rivers, seas, gulfs, group of islands, mountains, ranges, newspaper, all this. In front of all this, when we write, we use the example, the Ganges, the Times of India newspaper, the Indian Ocean, etc. Next, before a proper noun, only when it is qualified by an adjective we use. That is, the great King Ashoka, the great Shakespeare, etc. So, with this it is not getting over. The usage of the is going to be continued in the next class also. Until then, we'll stop with this and we shall continue in the next class. Thank you.